It's a lovely day in the airplane, isn't it, Kenny? Yeah, it is a lovely day. Can you guys shut up? We're trying to watch a movie. Oh my god! Carmen, I know we're trying to watch a movie. They might be annoying to you, but not for me. They're my friends, and sometimes you hate us. So, you should shut up. Don't tell me to shut up, hippie. I'm not a hippie. Yeah, you are. No, I'm not. Yeah, you are. No, I'm not. Yeah, you are. Shut up. I gotta use the bathroom. Alright, I gotta use the bathroom. This is awkward. Can't believe I'm watching Smosh. Noobs. This is for Cal. Oh, looks like Carmen left the laptop for me. Alright. Let's see what's on here. And now we're back to Teletubbies. What the crap, Carmen? What the crap? What? Are you serious right now? That was funny. Ouch. Ouch. What the crap? Guys, is it really necessary for me to hang up here? Well, yeah, because guess what? If you hang up there for 10 more minutes, you get free candy. Oh, there's some candy! Jerk. Alright, Kenny? Yeah. Just, whatever. I'm gonna go sleep. La 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 la. Oh my god, I just killed Kenny for no reason. I'm a jerk face. Come on, Kenny. Wait, Cal? What are you doing to Kenny? Come on, Kenny. Be free, Kenny! Be free! God's sake. Hey, Carmen. What? Kenny died, so I threw him out the window. Okay, wait, what? You threw him out the airplane window. Well, yeah, he's he's probably on the ground outside right now. Oh my god. Why would you do that? That's stupid. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You fat. You stupid. God. La 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 la. Cal, hurry up. I'm in. Alright, is your character a girl? No. Darn it. Alright, go. Is your character a boy? Yes, of course. You're always a boy. Jerk. Is your character have brown skin? Really? You asked me that question? What's wrong with it? Okay, really? What? Whatever. No. No. Just do that. Fine. But you ruined it! Oh, that's who you are. And that's who you are. Jerk face! Whatever. Jinx! No! Jinx! 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 Jeez. God's sake. Man. This sucks. This airplane trip sucks. Hello, we have a problem. We're gonna be shaking the airplane, car, whatever you want to call it.
We found a dead body on the floor, so we're coming for you. Whoever did that, we're coming for you. Over. Thanks, and once again, thank you for buying Reese's Big Cups. Coming soon, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, which no one gives a crap. So, thank you guys, and whoever threw the body, we're coming for you. Hippie. Crap!
Get it! My name is Carmen.
Got it! Carmen!
What? We're gonna die! What? They're gonna catch us from throwing Kenny's body outside. You idiot! You should have done that. Let's just go hide. Fine. Fine. Idiot. Fellas, I've been hanging up here for like 10 minutes, and now I haven't gotten candy, so, let me just try to get, ouch! Here, I'll throw you. Oh, big brain! Thank God. Okay, where do we hide? Where do we hide? I don't know. Oh my God. Well, we could just escape, jump out the window, and then we'll be living for like minutes away. Did you just say minutes away? That's impossible! You jerkface! Kenny, you just... My name's Kyle! Sorry, I see Kenny everywhere. Like, sometimes when Kenny dies, I like see him. This is so annoying. Hey, Stan, I have a question for you. Oh my God, Kenny! My name is Carmen. I'm sorry, you look like Kenny. Every time Kenny dies, I see Kenny. What? Oh my... You suck, Carmen. You suck. You're fat. What? I'm not fat. You're big bone. Hey, I'm not big bone. I'm fat. Wait, what? Hey! Ah! Oh my God. Stupid. Quick, guys, let's hide back here. I can't get back there. We're all gonna die. Oh wait, let's hide in here. They won't find us in here. Guys, in here. Don't psych. Okay, I think we should be safe. Ouch. Jeez. Well, the airplane stopped in the middle of the road. Ooh, Connect 4. Hey, Bobby, we're gonna play Connect 4 later. Okay. Ooh, DVD player. Alright, I'm back, and I got this dead body, so I'm just gonna put it in here. Thank you. Now, wait a minute, that's not a good place. Let's just, yeah, I'm just gonna put it right there. I can't breathe. Oh my God. Kenny's dead body is in here. Oh my God. Ouch. Well, Happy New Year! Ah! Oh God. Whoa. Guys, I think the airplane's upside down. And now you have gravity on. How come you guys aren't on gravity? Ouch. Double ouch. That sucks. Is this my daydream? La 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 la. Okay, Kyle, is it recording? Yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Stan. We almost got busted by the people and the manager of the airplane like over there. So like subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh my God. I'm still in my daydream. I'm still in my daydream. I'm still in my daydream. Oh. Gravity on. Carmen, Stan.
is in the bathroom taking a poop, and I'm in gravity. Yay! Oh my god, this is my favorite hat. Gravity off. Oh crap! Ouch! Well, it looks like we're here, guys. We're finally here. We are in... I don't know what this town is, and we're landing in the middle of nowhere for no reason. I don't know what to say anymore.